Hi everybody, support me by subscribing to the channel. By click the subscribe button and then click the ring button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you. Hi, how are you? How is it going? I am good, and you? So today's sentence is كيف حالك? كيف حالك? كيف حالك means how are you for a male. Important. For male, كيف حالك? كيف حالك? كيف حالك? كيف حالك? How are you for a male? Now for a female, كيف حالك? كيف حالك? So how are you for a female? كيف حالك? So كيف حالك or كيف حالك. كيف حالك for male, كيف حالك for female, and that means how are you, how is it going, what's up. So this is our sentence for today. See you next time and bye bye. Hi everybody, support me by subscribing to the channel. By click the subscribe button and then click the ring button. Stay with me because I am gonna be always with you.